and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to run QuickBooks updates on the application on your server if you're the server admin. To get started, log into your server and open up the QuickBooks application. Once the application is open, go to the Help menu at the top of the screen and select Update QuickBooks from the drop-down menu. Once this window appears, click on Update Now and then click Get Updates. Once you click this option, QuickBooks will do all the updates for you automatically, downloading and installing them as needed. Once you see Update Complete like we do in this window here, you can close the window and use your company file as needed. If prompted for a reboot, make sure all users are logged out of the server and click Yes. The server will reboot for you and the install of the updates will be complete. Thank you for watching this demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.